Hello everyone. In today's session, we will write a JavaScript program to simplify a given absolute path in Unix-style format. Unix-style file paths often contain redundant elements like a dot for current directory, or two dots to move up one level, or multiple slashes. Our program will clean up the path and produce a simplified version. Let's understand the problem. We need to simplify a Unix-style file path by removing unnecessary paths. A single dot should be ignored. Two dots moves one directory up, and multiple slashes collapse into one. For example, /home/var /www /html /sql simplifies to /home/var /html and /sql. This program simplifies the path in three main steps. First, we split the input path into components using slash. Second, we loop through each part. Third, we ignore a dot and empty paths. Fourth, we remove the previous directory when encountering two dots. Otherwise, add valid paths to a new array. Finally, reconstruct the simplified path by joining the valid components. Here's how the program works step by step. We split the input path into components. We traverse the components, skip unnecessary elements like dot and empty strings. We move up one level for two dots by removing the last valid directory. We keep valid directory in a list, and finally, we reconstruct the path using a slash. If the list is empty, return slash as the root path. Let's analyze a few examples. In the first case, redundant paths like dot and two dots are cleaned up, resulting in /home/var /html/sql. In the second example, two dots tries to move up a level, but no valid directories exist, so we return slash. Lastly, in the third example, we simplify /home/user/docs /files to /home/user/files. This ES6 version uses a cleaner approach with a stack. We iterate over each part, and use push and pop to manage valid directories. Finally, we reconstruct the path by joining the stack with a slash. In summary, we simplified a Unix-style file path using basic string manipulation and stack operations. This method efficiently handles special cases like dot and dot to produce the desired output. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.